how much should you actually spend on spark plugs for your Harley Davidson? You see everything from budget options to premium choices, but does that price really reflect quality? It's a bit tricky to navigate. Product number 1, NGK Iridium EX DCPR7 EIX. First up, we have the NGK Iridium EX DCPR7 EIX spark plugs. Priced at $19.01, what caught my attention is NGK's reputation as a leader in spark plug technology. If you want reliable performance and longevity for your Harley, this is worth a serious look. This means your ignition system works more efficiently, which is crucial for a smooth ride. The enhanced anti-corrosion qualities of the new metal shell plating ensure they can withstand the elements, making them a solid choice for any weather. With 4.7 stars from nearly 4,800 reviews, buyers rave about their performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. A spark plug that lasts longer and performs better means fewer trips to the mechanic and more time on the road. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit higher than generic options. Here's the thing though, investing in quality means you're protecting your engine in the long run. If you're serious about maintaining your bike, it's a worthwhile expense. This is perfect for you if you value performance and reliability in your rides. Skip this one if you're just looking for the cheapest fix. Now, if the price of the NGK plugs bothered you, this next one might just fit your budget better without sacrificing too much quality. Product number 2, 14mm16mm spark plug socket set. Next, let's look at the 14mm16mm spark plug socket set by Ecoxtom, which is priced at just $8.59. What stands out is its thin wall design, making it perfect for those tight spaces that can be a hassle to reach. If you're looking for an easy way to install or remove spark plugs, this is worth a serious glance. This socket set is made from high-performance chrome vanadium steel, ensuring durability and resistance to wear. The 360-degree rotation feature is a game-changer when working in cramped areas. It allows you to maneuver without breaking a sweat. Plus, its magnetic ring holds spark plugs securely, preventing them from slipping out during installation. With a 4.5-star rating from over 700 reviews, users appreciate its versatility across various car models. Here's why this matters for you. A reliable tool means less frustration when you're working on your bike, which is something every DIYer can appreciate. Now, some users pointed out that the socket can be a little tricky to use on certain models. But I'll be real with you, if you're handy and looking for a budget-friendly solution, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you do your own maintenance and love a good DIY project. Skip this one if you prefer professional help for every repair. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want the best performance possible. Product number 3, NGK-6046 Iridium Spark Plugs. Coming in at $39.98, the NGK-6046 Iridium Spark Plugs are another fantastic choice. This set offers 4 spark plugs, so it's perfect if you're planning to do a full replacement. If you want a trusted brand that delivers performance and durability, this is worth considering. As the world's largest supplier of OEM spark plugs, NGK has a stellar reputation for offering products that are often specified as original equipment. This means you can expect excellent performance and longevity with these plugs. Rated 4.6 stars by over 260 reviewers, they're recognized for their ability to improve engine efficiency and performance. Now, some users have mentioned that they felt the price was a bit steep for just 4 plugs. But honestly, when you're dealing with high-performance machines like Harley's, going for OEM quality products is a smart move that pays off. This is perfect for you if you're set on keeping your Harley running at its best. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest in quality engine components. Now, if you're looking for something more affordable but still reliable, the next option may catch your eye. Product number 4, CNPAPC Iridium EX Spark Plugs. Next, we have the CNPAPC Iridium EX Spark Plugs priced at $13.56 for a pair. What I found interesting is that these plugs are designed specifically for performance enthusiasts. If you want something that boosts throttle response and fuel efficiency, these are worth a look. Additionally, they boast a fine iridium tip that ensures durability and stability, so you can trust them under high-performance conditions. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 250 reviews, buyers appreciate their reliability. Here's why this matters for you. Better ignitability leads to improved acceleration and a more thrilling ride, which is what every Harley rider wants. That said, a few users reported issues with compatibility on certain models. But here's the thing, if you're riding a commonly known Harley model, you'll likely be just fine with these plugs. This is perfect for you if you want a performance boost without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you have an uncommon bike model or need absolute OEM parts. Now, if you're still searching for affordability with quality, the final product might just be your best bet. Product number 5, E3 Spark Plugs E334. Finally, we have the E3 Spark Plugs E334 priced at $8.49. The standout feature here is the patented Diamond Fire technology, which enhances combustion efficiency. If you're looking for better power and fuel efficiency on a budget, this is worth considering. These plugs are built for motorcycles and other powersport engines, ensuring they meet the intense demands of high-performance riding. With the ability to deliver up to 12% more power and improved fuel economy, you can ride longer without frequent stops at the pump. They also help reduce emissions, promoting cleaner rides. With a 4.5-star rating from over 800 reviews, users appreciate their performance across a variety of conditions. Here's why this matters. Cleaner combustion means less wear on your engine and lower costs in the long run. Now, some users mention that they didn't notice a significant difference compared to standard plugs. But I'll be real, if you're making frequent short trips or just want a solid plug for everyday riding, these are still a great option. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an economical choice that still delivers on performance. Skip this if you're only interested in premium options or racing parts. That wraps up the options for spark plugs that can enhance your Harley riding experience. So there you have it. The NGK Iridium EX is fantastic for long-lasting performance, while the Ecoxstem Spark plug socket set is a must-have tool. The NGK 6046 plugs assure top quality, and the CNPAPC plugs offer a nice performance boost. Finally, the E3 Spark plugs provide solid value for everyday riders. Each of these options has its strengths, so choose based on what matters most to you.